Organocide BEE SAFE 3-in-1 Garden Spray Concentrate is the safest way to guard plants in your home and garden from insects, mites, and fungus. Our natural pest control spray is listed by the Organic Materials Review Institute, ensuring that it's made using certified organic ingredients and organic processes. It protects plants from aphids, whiteflies, spider mites, fungus gnats, thrips, and more, killing them on contact and at all stages. It also protects against certain fungal diseases, but is safe for bees and other beneficial insects like adult butterflies and ladybugs. It's the only organic 3-in-1 garden spray that uses sesame and fish oil, meaning it's all natural and safe around pets and children. Before use, shake the solution, then mix with water. And spray leaves and stems of plants until solution runs off their tips. Make sure to cover the tops and bottoms of the leaves. The dense sesame and fish oils will smother target insects on contact. Allow 3 to 4 hours after spraying for the leaves to dry. The spray leaves a microfilm on the plant, which protects it from hatchlings and egg-laying females. To prevent leaf burn, it's best to use the product in the early morning or evening hours. For infestations, apply every 3 to 4 days for 2 applications, and if problems persist, reapply after 1 week. With Organocide BEE SAFE 3-in-1 garden spray, you'll have an all-natural way to protect your plants while keeping pollinators safe.